Hi, I'm Marty Pohl, attorney with Pohl Law Office. And today I'm going to be discussing 5 things you should do when you're involved in a motor vehicle accident. My first tip is call emergency services. You're going to want to get police out to the scene to document the scene and to produce a police report. When vehicles move, people's stories change, and so you're going to want to call police first and try to leave your vehicle where it stands if you can. A lot of times people will try to convince you to not get police involved or that you need to do something else, but you will want to get the police there to document it and get insurance information on the other vehicle if possible. You also may need an ambulance to come to the scene if you have significant injuries or if the other driver does. If that's the case, you're going to want to let the 911 operator know that. An EMS worker may tell you that you need to go to the hospital right away. And if that's the case, you should take their medical advice. My second tip is that you should assess and document the damages. Everyone these days seems to have a smartphone, so you should pull out your phone and take pictures of your vehicle, take pictures of the other driver's vehicle, take pictures of where the vehicles stand when the collision occurred. After the wreck, and when people start dealing with their insurance companies, oftentimes people's stories change and they'll try to change the fault to you when in fact it was them that caused the wreck. My third tip is to exchange information with the other party. Get their driver's license, get their license plate, and insurance information if possible. Sometimes people can get argumentative or withholding about the information, and if that's the case, don't press it and just allow the police officers to do their job and get that information for you. My fourth tip is to get a medical evaluation. Whether you go to an emergency room or an immediate care center, or if you're seen by EMS on the scene of the wreck, get checked out. Oftentimes, adrenaline can be pumping and you may not feel the pain right away. Oftentimes, pain doesn't set in for 2 to 3 days after a wreck has occurred. Get checked out, even if it is just for peace of mind. And if the doctors tell you that you are hurt and that you need to plan a course of action to deal with those injuries, follow their medical advice. My fifth tip is to consult with an attorney. I'm going to recommend that if you are hurt through no fault of your own, that you call Pohl at 502-777-1111. Insurance companies are notorious for hiding the ball. They'll try to get you to give a recorded statement very early in your case and can intimidate you into making statements that are against your own interests. If you contact us at Pohl, we can have those conversations with the insurance company for you.